Hey everyone, as promised, I have made this video on the questions that you can ask on Quora. So these questions are very generic. You can cover this, or say you can take some insights out of these questions, or say out of this title, and then you can use the same process for other topics also. Let's get started with it. So I would say, if I talk about this generation, or say in 2022, so we are very much into, we are knowing about unicorns. We are knowing about very lot of startups like women entrepreneur, and then women empowerment, or say sales marketing, digital marketing, then online courses. So these are the topics that you can focus on to ask questions on Quora. So let's take a random topic on any one of these topics. So I'm taking unicorn. Okay, so I'm writing research question on unicorn. Here you can see 9 questions with answers in unicorn, and you can also use these answers, because these answers will not come under Quora moderation policy, because you are going to translate these answers in French language. So if you are asking the same answers in English, then this will come in moderation. Or suppose if you are asking these answers on say English also, then you can rewrite it. You need not to copy paste it, but as you are going to write these answers on French language, suppose like you have your sister or brother at your home, and you are asking this question, and you have created an account from your sister or brother's account, and then you can copy the answer from these questions, and you can translate it in Google Translate, and then you can recheck it whether this French translation is correct or not, and then you can ask this answer or reply for this answer from your sister's account. Even you can log in for her account from your device also. So you can see 9 questions with answers in unicorn. Then top 7 key questions you need to answer. You can also take this 7 unicorn questions for businesses. Let me do one thing at first. Let's do one thing. Let me open document. Okay, let me open a new document. Let me title it Quora questions. Okay, Quora questions. So whatever questions we will be copying from here, we will be pasting it there, right? It is there now. So now you can see what affects does the zero interest policy. So I have, okay, copy link text. I went there to write here, then I have pasted this. Okay, now I am coming back to this. I am copying next question. Even you can ask whatever questions are asking between this conversation. So I am pasting this question also. I'm coming back here. What is a good FPLC system? I'm copying it, coming back down. What is was I have asked this here. You can again check it here. So you can copy and paste all list of questions here. Now I'll tell you one shortcut to save your time. Now suppose I am not going to ask these questions. If you want to use these questions on unicorns, you can use this. I'm not going to ask these questions, because these questions are very good. If you are asking these questions on Quora, and you are getting even 1 or 2 reply, you can these questions will start getting monetization, obviously. So I'm not going to ask these questions on Quora. I will be leaving these questions for you. So once you will be copying. I have just copied 4 because as I am not going to ask these questions on Quora, so I've just copied 4. So you can copy all the questions here, and then what you can do, you just copy all these questions, copy, come back here, open a new window, write Google Translate, go here, copy it here. Now it got translated. इसको translate कर दो, इसको कट करके कट कर लो, come back to this window, sorry, come back to this window. Okay, then write down French questions or French translation, come down and paste it here. Okay, now what you can do, you can, suppose you have, see, you have copied these questions. Now you can select this, from this to this, then you can cut it from here. You can go back to your where is your Quora account? Okay, your Quora's window, then you can come here. Okay, you can come here, you can ask this question, and then you can proceed with it, right? Okay, so this is the right way you can do, and you can ask questions, lot of questions on Quora, and you will be getting good response on it. And just use trending topic, use a little bit of your brain, and yeah, you will be getting good response on these questions. You just need to select, you can see downside that ask this question. I'm not going to do this because if I'm doing this, so you won't be able to use this question. I'm cutting this window. So these are good list of questions. You can use these questions. So yeah, just do this, and I am telling you the topics. Okay, you can go with a startup, you can go with don't go for top questions of a startup because I have already used those questions. So start from after I think 4th to 5th SERPs, SERPs, that is search engine results pages, you can go for it. And then startup, unicorns, marketing, sales, women empowerment, women entrepreneurship, and then Flipkart, not Flipkart, sorry, customer services, because we are going to ask these questions on French, so we can't use any such brand that are most common in India and not in not worldwide, so we need to focus on that too. And then you can focus on some brands like Nike, questions on Nike, or a case study on Nike, or you can find some issues like we know about what was that, my dog stabbed on a bee, such kind of questions you can make. Or you who said this, my dog stabbed on a bee, so you can make such kind of questions and you will be getting good response. Because I asked this question that why is my dog stabbed on a bee trending, so I got around I think $19 something in this question only. So you can also do this. So yeah, just I wanted to talk about this. You can go for this, and you can use, obviously you can use this topic, you will be getting good response on French. Trust me, if you are going to ask this question by today, and make sure you are asking minimum 25 questions, and if you have enough time, you can go for 60 questions to 100 questions. Make sure you are asking quality questions. There are no issues in your language or French language, French translation. Don't trust blindly on Google Translate. It makes a lot of mistakes, because a lot of my questions went in Quora moderation and I had to remove those questions. Then I started using some other trick to translate it correctly. So yeah, you can also do this. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that too. So yeah, stay tuned, and bye bye. We'll be coming soon with other set of topics. Bye bye.